we have given statement and we have write negation for. We can rewrite our statement to, because we have 8 is greater than B and B is greater than C, so we can rewrite that this is equivalent to A is greater than B and B is greater than C. So let's put that A is greater than B. This is our simple statement P, and B is greater than C. This is our simple statement Q. So now we have here conjunction P, we have and, so we have and Q, and negation of conjunction we have to write. Negation of conjunction is equivalent from De Morgan's rule to not P or not Q. So we will have not P. So we have A is greater than B is our P. So not P will be when we have negate A is greater than B. So we will have A is less than or equals B. This is negation of P, and negation of Q is, we have B is greater than C, so negation will be B is less than or equals C. Now we can rewrite our statement. We have to write negation of a statement, so will be not P or not Q. So we have A is less than or equals B, or B is less than or equals C. This is my solution.